Meaning of gynaecologist.
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 Gynecologist.
Gynecologist. A gynecologist is a medical doctor who specializes in the health of the female reproductive system, including the uterus, ovaries, fallopian tubes, vagina, and vulva. They are trained to diagnose and treat various conditions related to women's reproductive health such as menstrual problems, infertility, sexually transmitted infections, and pregnancy. Gynecologists also perform surgeries such as hysterectomy, ovarian cyst removal, and tubal ligation. It is recommended for women to visit a gynecologist regularly to maintain good reproductive health and prevent any potential health issues. Overall, gynecologists play a crucial role in supporting women's health and well-being.